In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show one question at a time in Tally Forms. This can be incredibly helpful if you want to keep your forms clean, concise, and focused. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to navigate to Tally, a free online form builder. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in Tally's URL to get started. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you'll be prompted with different login methods. Select Continue with Google for a quick and seamless login process. After that, you'll need to choose your Google account. Just click on your account and then click Continue to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here you'll find all your existing forms. Locate the form you want to edit and click on it to open. Once inside the form, find the second question of your form. You'll notice a set of 6 dots next to this question. Click on those dots to reveal more options. At this point, select Hide to hide the question. But don't worry, it's not gone forever. We're just hiding it temporarily to set up the conditions. Still working with the same question, click the 6 dots again. This time choose Add Conditional Logic. A new set of options will appear, allowing you to set up the conditions under which your question will reappear. Now look for the drop-down labeled When. Click on it and then find the question named Do you need a hotel room? It's important to set the initial condition as When do you need hotel room is yes. To specify this further, type in the value as yes in the provided field. This sets a clear condition for when our hidden question should show. Next, direct your attention to the Then drop-down. Click on it to see the available actions. Choose Show Blocks from this list. Now there will be an additional drop-down for blocks. Click on it and then select For How Many. This is the specific question we want to reveal based on the previous condition. With everything set up, it's time to see it in action. Click on the Preview button at the top. This allows you to test the condition you just created without affecting the live form. In the preview, input yes in response to the question about needing a hotel room. If everything has been set up correctly, you'll see the next question, For How Many, appear as expected. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Tally form to show one question at a time, depending on the respondent's answer. This feature doesn't just improve user experience, but also makes your forms smarter and more intuitive. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Tally's documentation or reach out for support. Happy form building!